Hey everyone, what's up? This is Valor on screen. Today I'll show you how to add Steam games to an external hard drive. We'll connect the hard drive. I've already connected mine. Open Steam, click Settings, and then click Storage. Click on your drive and then click Add Drive. If it's not on the list, if this drive isn't on the list, then click Choose Another Location and hit Add. Here's my external hard drive. Click Add. Create a folder called Steam Library here. Hit enter and click Select Folder. That's it. Now you can install games here. So to move a game here, go to the main drive, right-click the game, click Move, select the external drive, and hit Move. Let me quickly show you on something simple. Click Move, select your external hard drive. There we go, the game is moving. The larger the game, the longer the transfer will take, of course. There we go, and the transfer is complete. Now, the game is on our external drive. This was Valor. See you all later.